what has happened in 44 years since I was a 24-year-old kid becoming a stockbroker, what the business was then to what the business is now has blown my mind. And I was blown away within 10 years of being a stockbroker because I couldn't believe what happened from 79 to 89 already, what was happening. And it hasn't stopped. It has become more and more complex, more and more in depth, more faster and easier and less complicated and more complicated. And at the end of the day, fewer and fewer individual people, fewer and fewer individual investors understand more of the nuances of what's going on. And yet there are more people coming into this business. The third world, the second world, and the G20, you have to understand that in the next 5 years, there could be 5 times as many day traders in this market than there are now. And 90% of those will not know what they're doing. They're going to come into the market and just look at it like a sports betting game because they're being shown right now on these apps. And you've seen this yourself. You know what I'm talking about. Those of you who've seen Robinhood and whatever, you've seen videos on people on how they trade on Robinhood or how they trade on Fidelity or how they trade. It's a video game. It's just a sports betting video game. I'm watching NFL football last night on a Canadian feed, and then I'm watching the Calgary Flames play hockey last night against the Vancouver Canucks on a Canadian feed. And Jennifer and I are watching, our TV. Commercial comes on, and what's the commercial that is being hit every 5 minutes? There's commercials. And what are the commercials? Sports betting. And now I'm seeing ads showing up on YouTube where they're saying $50 free bet. You can make your first bet with $50 if you sign up for our sports betting app. We'll give you $50 with which to wager with to start with. And Jennifer saying, I've seen ads with over $100 being offered. I've seen prizes being offered for people to sign up to sports bet. You've seen it. You're aware. This is coming to the stock market.